VeraCrypt allows you to create secure, password-protected folders for your important files. To start, open VeraCrypt, go to the Volumes tab, and click Create New Volume. Choose the first option, Create an encrypted file container, and click Next. On the following screen, keep the default standard VeraCrypt volume selected and click Next. Now, choose a save location and give your container a name, then click Save. Keep the default settings on the next screen and click Next. Enter your preferred size for the container and click Next. Now set a strong password and make sure to save it somewhere safe. You will need it every time you open the container. On the next screen, you have to move your mouse around inside the window to increase the encryption strength, and once the progress bar fills up, click Format. To open your container and add files, open VeraCrypt, select your container file, and click Mount. Enter your encryption password, followed by your system password. Once validated, click on the selected volume inside VeraCrypt to open the folder. You can now save your files inside it. When you are done, simply click Unmount All to lock it.